Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am reporting live, bring you last insighting on one of the most important global issues, is natural disaster, from earthquake and tsunami to wildfires and hurricanes. That this disaster continue to shape human history, testing our resilience and our unity as a global community. Today, we will take a closer look at several major natural disasters around the world, their devastating impact, and what we can learn from them. First of all, what is natural disaster? Natural disasters are catastrophic events caused by natural process of the earth. Unlike man-made disasters, these events occur due to logical, meteorological, or climatic factors. They are unpredictable, powerful, and often leave behind destruction that take years to recover from. Statistics from the United Nations show that every year natural disasters affect more than 200 million people worldwide, causing loss of life, displacement, and economic damage worth billions of dollars. First is we'll talk about earthquakes. One of the deadliest disasters is earthquake. For example, in 2010, Haiti was struck by a magnitude 7.0 earthquake and claimed over 100, 100 lives and left million homeless. More recently, in February 2023, a powerful earthquake hit Turkey and Syria, killing tens of thousands of people and causing massive destruction. Earthquakes remind us how fragile our cities and be in the face of natural force. Number two is tsunami. Another defining event is the tsunami. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, triggered by a massive undersea earthquake, swept across several countries including Indonesia, Thailand, Sri Lanka, and India. It killed more than 230 people. This tragedy remains one of the most catastrophic natural disasters in the modern history, showing the urgent need for early warning system. And floods. Floods are also among the most common natural disasters. In 2002, South Asia experienced devastating flood during monsoon season. Millions were forced to flee their homes in Bangladesh and India. Similarly, Europe which witnessed historic flooding in Germany and Belgium in 2021, leaving entire towns submerged and infrastructure destroyed. And then we talk about wildfires. In the recent years, wildfires have become more frequent and intense, often to climate change. In Australia, through 2019 until 2020, bushfires, known as the Black Summer, burned nearly 18 million hectares of land, destroyed thousands of homes, and killed or displaced almost 3 billion animals. California, too, continues to face annual wildfires, losing life, homes, and biodiversity. So there is volcanic eruption. Volcanoes, while awe-inspiring, can unleash enormous destruction. In 2018, the eruption of Mount Anak Krakatau in Indonesia triggered a tsunami that killed hundreds. Meanwhile, in the 980 eruption of Mount Helens in the United States remains one of the most well-documented volcanic event, changing the landscape permanently. And there is hurricanes and tornadoes. Finally, we cannot forget hurricanes and tornadoes. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 affected New Orleans, USA, leaving more than 118 people dead and causing billions in damage. In 2019, Cyclone Aida struck Mozambique, Zimbabwe, and Malawi, destroying the village and leading to a humanitarian crisis. The impact of this thus, disaster goes beyond immediate destruction. Human impact, if not, life loss, families displaced, and trauma. There's economic impact, billions of dollars in damage, loss of jobs, collapse in infrastructure, and environmental impact, forest destroyed, wild, wildlife endangered, economies disrupted. Natural disasters remind us that humanity is deeply connected with nature. What happened to what happened to Earth ultimately happened to us. However, it's not all despair. Many countries are now investing in disaster preparedness, early warning system for earthquake, tsunami, and storm. Comes is a stronger infrastructure designed to withstand disaster and make disaster not come again. International cooperation international cooperation in humanitarian aid and climate action. In the end, natural disasters cannot be stopped, but their impact can be reduced if we are prepared, united, and committed to protect both people and our planet. This is However, it's not all despair. Many countries are now investing in disaster preparedness. For example, Japan is widely known as one of best prepared country in the world when it comes to earthquake and tsunami. After the devastating Kobe earthquake in 1095, Japan built a stronger building and started nationwide early warning system and education its citizens through regular evacuation drills. When another major earthquake struck in 2011, although the tsunami caused enormous tragedy, many lives are saved thanks to their early warning measures. Similarly, Indonesia, located in the Pacific Ring of Fire, has developed its own tsunami warning system and has partnered with international organizations to strengthen disaster preparedness. The 2004 tsunami was a wake-up call from the nation. Since then, efforts have been made to build evacuation routes, warning sirens, and community-based disaster training in coastal areas. The United States investing heavily in hurricane preparedness. In states like Florida and Louisiana, there are strict building codes for houses to withstand strong winds. Sleep monitoring was allow meteorologists to track hurricane days before the strike, giving people enough time to evacuate. But technology alone is not enough. Community involvement is essential. In many developing countries, local community have a great preventive disaster responder. This team receive training to avoid evacuation, provide first aid, and assist vulnerable groups such as children and the elderly. This been your reporter. In the end, Natural disaster cannot be stopped, but their impact can be reduced if we prepare, united and committed to protecting both people and our planet. Yeah, this been your reporter bringing you to insight on natural disasters around the world. Thank you for watching and stay safe. My name is Abshar Malikulansyah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.